Of course, as soon as we get to the interior, God is gonna bless us with an amazing day, but that's okay, I'll take it. I can't wait to get in on this ceiling anyway. We've got a ton of stuff that we gotta move around the site. It's kind of a cluster, to be honest. We're getting everything out of our way so we can start on this ceiling, and then I can't wait to show you guys how this interior turns out. I'm excited, I hope you're excited, and we're gonna get right into this ceiling project. We just got those first couple rows of plastic done, and that's our vapor barrier. Remember, our 3 inches of closed cell foam is doing our vapor barrier in our walls, and in our climate zone, we still like to do a vapor barrier, especially because all of our steel exterior skin, we want to prevent any warm, moist air getting to that point. So we like to use a vapor barrier. I know it's not for everybody, and that's cool. Make sure you check with a local, maybe code official, or find out what is appropriate for your zone. But we went ahead, we snapped our line from end to end, and that's for the first run of steel. Once we get through that, we don't snap any more lines. It's all just based on experience and kind of fit and feel and knowing how the metal runs, but at least we start straight, and I guess it's always kind of a mystery on how we'll end up straight. Stay tuned and you'll see how good we did on that. Don't worry, Zach, I got your back. You got a friend in me, you got a friend in me, can't you see that it's our destiny, yeah. You got a friend in me, say you got. All right, we don't need to keep going, actually. I'm already over it. Yeah, you got a friend. Oh, it's so dark. It's too dark. My ceiling is too dark. Who would ever want a black ceiling? What a shame. What a shame. Like it? Oh, love it. I mean, really, it's a great day to do a ceiling, you know, on a Friday, and our patriotic song choice of the. I was proud to be a father, raise a daughter and a son, be a mother. Every friend and everyone. I can call in sick on Monday. All right. Always do my duty, no matter what the price. Look at that black ceiling, Greg. Black ceiling, bro. Black. Once you go black, you don't go back. Cause freedom don't come free on American soldier. Oh, you'll be served in the battle will right there. I mean, just come back. No, more than that. Yeah, right about there. U.S. of A. We'll put a boot in your ass. American way. All right, next. Teamwork. Oh, this is like patriotic. 1 o'clock. I'm proud to be an American. You in the world stop turning. I don't know where I was. I know where I was. Today, I know where I was. Right. Okay. I know Jesus and I talk to God. Hey, can you turn that camera off? But the greatest is.
Yikes.
Well, she don't look pretty, but there's still tons of carbide on there. And that's the important part. Good as new. till you do the exact same thing. So a really unfortunate event, my camera just fell over and busted my lens. So I had to put my other lens on that is a little bit harder. I gotta kind of get back. But we're up here doing all this framing here. You can see above my head. We're really just looking for some cross framing between our trusses because we're actually gonna end up building a little wall across this. And really we don't need any structure for like weight capacities or anything. Just kind of some, you know, I guess side to side structure. So when we build this wall up here on this mezzanine, we've got something to tie into between these truss spaces. Need help? Maybe.
That move you?
Yeah. Oh,
okay, get to where you like it.
okay, we're ready to go run plastic, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think you have to go with a dad bod look?
I never had the dad bod look.
I'm in the corner watching you kiss him up. It's all stuck in my throat. Give me a different song.
I like this. Cannot lie.
Hey. Itty bitty waiting around thinking your face.
You get sprung. And didn't even last that long.
It was fun while it lasted.
Back street, back, alright. I don't even know the song.
I don't even know the song. That's the only part I know.
I've seen NSYNC in concert once.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
How's that?
I don't know. I was probably third grade.
No.
I was third grade. We got tickets for Christmas.
Good?
Yeah. Hell yeah, let's move all this stuff, my boy. I'll move it.
You want to pick up the whole thing?
Yeah, pick it up. Let's go.
The whole thing?
All of it. What do you think it weighs?
Wait, can we like, here, let's get each end up on some blocks. Let's see. I don't got any.
Okay, come on, ready?
Give me a second.
3. No way. No way. Not happening.
No?
No. Let's take this top one off first.
You sure?
I'm 100% positive.
Give it a try.
Okay. We did legs today, Greg. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you really want to do it? Or do you want to just pick the top?
Do you want to do it?
Hell no.
I mean, let's take the top then.
No, alright, let's do it.
Well, we're taking the top.
Alright. I know, you just chickened out, didn't you?
Yeah, I definitely.
Alright then, I'm doing the whole thing. Let's go.
No, we're doing the top like you want, old man.
Let's go, Greg.
Are you ready?
Ready? Ah!
That's too heavy for you? No.
It was really, yeah, it's not bad once you get it up. Sometimes it's just getting it up that's hard.
Getting up is the hard part.
You tell me when you're ready.
Woo, we gotta do it at the same time.
Yes. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's just take this over there.
Which one? The little one?
Yeah, the board and everything. You can't handle the whole pile.
I can't grab the board. Can you like get it like even on the board so that way? There we go.
That's light as can be. Yeah, I like it. Good job.
How was the grab? Where? Alright, let me get down.
Get it!
I'll follow that up myself.
Alright, let's do it. Well, there you go, guys. We got half of the ceiling done. We had a ton of blocking to do, a ton of miscellaneous framing, some cutting of this overhang. We still got a little bit to do there. And just in general, like prep work to really fly on the rest of the ceiling. We're gonna be right back tomorrow and we'll finish out this ceiling and then hopefully get into the sidewalls. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Rich, you gonna look at that ceiling or what?
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, that's been off.
Yeah, that's been off. Yeah, that's been off. Yeah. Hey, where's my jerky at?